stand there! Help me!
Whoa! Shut the fuck up! Who the fuck are you?
My friend. That's my friend. And he is extremely dangerous.
Extremely dangerous.
Yes, extremely.
Yeah, I can tell you've seen some shit. Walked in here like it's a fucking tea party. Not a snitch, are ya? Know anything about the eggs on Mount Chiliad?
Labrat! Right here, Jax! Hey! Right here!
This is my personal physician. Labrat wouldn't go anywhere without him. Labrat, this is our new friend, Fresh Meat. Doesn't seem to know much about the eggs on Mount Chiliad. So what do you recommend we give him as a first dose into the fucking truth, man? Me first, of course.
Okay, well, as your physician, let's see, I recommend a baseline of cocaine. And then 5 big hits off of the pen.
Only guy who can get a breakthrough DMT dose in a vape.
And then some of the new phenethylamine my assistant's been working on to get your oxytocin levels right. And we'll finish with a little something I like to call snake sweat. Half mescaline, half scopolamine. Now that'll take you the rest of the way!
Yeah, perfect. Dosage?
Well, as your physician under the circumstances, I recommend a lot!
Exactly my thoughts. Now the same for them.
Ah, shit, I gotta restock.
All right, walk with me. You know a guy by the name of Wade? Hey, he's in our troop. Really smart. He called me a few weeks back and told me the going was good here, and boy, was he right. It's got everything a human being needs to survive, from convenience stores to unregulated pharmacies, and nothing that we don't need. We're doing something big here.
We gotta go. Chef is fucked up.
This isn't some clinical trial, amigo. Your bro was balls deep into lab rat's special sauce before we could say the frickin' B word.
Okay, whatever, but we gotta go. These crazies, they started their own gang war with the Lost. They stole a bunch of their bikes, their meth. It's not safe here. Ah! Ah!
This luchadora, she runs our wrestling league.
BDKD, bro. Welcome to the troop.
Troop Wrestling League? You're not gonna join these weirdos, are you?
Hey, you strange little wiry man. Anyone can join the troop, okay?
This is insane. I gotta wake Chef up.
I can see you're a bottom line kind of person,
go.
so here it is. We're new in town, but we've got a plan. I want every trust fund baby, pinstripe suit, middle manager, snapmatic influencer, and public servant stripped to the waist in the LS River, huffing whippets, shitting their pants, screaming at the top of their lungs that nothing fucking matters!
It's those biker assholes. They're stealing the RV.
Fuckers, of course they are! Get other people out of here!
On it. Move! Fucking move!
Help us get out of this and we'll cut you into the deal. Fuck up these bikers and get my RV back and it's Los Santos time, baby! Woo! Get over to the roof! Show me your butthole, fellas! First dildo, dude!
Fuck you and your corny leather jacket! You guys, we were here first! Go back somewhere!
You okay? Listen, if you didn't want us to take your What do you think? You killed them all? Here comes some more.
No! I'm
Hey!
over here.
Fuck Stave! Give me back my RV!
Scream, bitch!
Gonna have us a good time.
Hey, Story, come Wait a minute!
Get your ass!
Man down.
Everybody, you guys, we were here first!
Get the hell out of here, civilian.
Reload!
Who wants to shoot more bikers? Cause I got some good news! Hey, take cover!
Gotta reload!
You got nowhere to go.
Try to get behind something!
Take cover!
They just keep on coming. I love this shit.
Fuck you! You're going nowhere. Oh, shit! You've been shot. Are you shot, bro?
Pull your butthole!
My dog, the dog!
Poser!
Wait, reloading!
They got some nutsack coming here! Fresh meat. If you can get me my RV back, I'm gonna say you're basically one of us. I checked the GPS, looks like it's across the sea at Miller's Fishery. I'm gonna deal with some shit over here, you go get it. And before you ask, you're gonna get paid. We take care of the troop.
Guess that Ron dude was right about you. Extremely dangerous. Get this RV back safe and you'll make a solid addition to the troop. And listen, if you want to get there faster, we got a boat over by the boathouse just down the road. Keep me on the line, okay?
Cover me!